Well, it's my privilege and my pleasure to be here tonight. I've seen some wonderful artwork. It's a great gathering. Actually, I didn't know this place was here, and I'm very impressed with it. So I'm going to do two poems for you tonight. The first one about our beautiful city, the city of New Westminster, and I've called it City of Dreams, because really, it is a city of dreams. A pale gray painting hanging above on the charcoal of night. A chandelier of stars winking and blinking, peering through the eye of midnight. This is New Westminster tonight. The white specks glowing against the amber shine, a sparkling of diamonds on the evening shoreline, hanging by a thread overhead on the river, moonlight shining bright. This is New Westminster tonight. Inherent mood music written and pinned on the ever soft blowing wind, unraveling, unspooling its magical weave, dreams falling soft from an angel's sleeve, the residue of a sacrosanct vow, a hushed whisper of a wish long forgotten now, dancing and prancing, romancing, reeling, pooling on the Fraser River, shimmering moonlight. This is New Westminster tonight. A footprint on life's water, a ripple on the earth, a whisper on the wind, a diamond of great worth, indestructible, wearing a necklace of pearl moonlight. This is the city of dreams. This is New Westminster tonight. And it is such a beautiful city. Gorgeous city. I was fortunate enough to have been born here and raised here. I wandered away for a short time, but had to come back, and I'm so glad I did. I do love New Westminster, but this next poem is kind of a love poem. I like writing that stuff. Everybody loves to be in love, and we've all been there at some time in our life. This one's called Ink Stain in the Rain. The cruel wind scrapes and rapes the soft, supple satin drapes in the cave of evening shade, under gunmetal sky, cracked, splintered, and dry. We played our tragic masquerade. Your body's a river, a fast-running shiver, and I can't seem to keep myself warm. You let go of my hand. Nothing is as we planned. Engulfed by the ocean and fading emotion, you let go of my hand. Waves wash me ashore, lips parched, evermore, never to taste yours again. Love letters and pain, left out in the rain, became a fading ink stain. Days now without sun, the moon's come undone, and I've become the rain. Thank you very much. Thanks so much. Hey James, you go for it.
Come on everybody, Candice.